All right, advanced workspaces. It's not that advanced. It's just stuff that you probably haven't used before. So you end up adjusting your workspace to get it right for your screen size. I often have one for my like 4K monitor and one for my laptop, and I save them as separate workspaces. So in this case, I'm just going to close down my production, get it how you want. Okay, so you do all this kind of like dragging around and get everything kind of how you want it to be. And then you go into Window, Workspaces, and you save your workspace. Where it is there, save as a new workspace. And I call this one Dan. I always give it my name, so it's easy to see that it's not one of the default ones. And let's say I've got an editing desktop, okay? And then I'll switch to my laptop, okay? Unplug the screen here, make another one, and have Dan editing laptop. Okay, what's advanced about this video? Let's do the non-advanced stuff. If you make an adjustment, you can go into here and say workspaces, save changes to this workspace, so it'll update. If you go to reset saved, it'll go back to the way it was a second ago. So I'm going to save and update it. Again, what's advanced about it? Let's go to Window, Workspaces, and it's kind of all in here under Edit, Workspaces. And probably the most useful thing is, can you see this bar along the top here? Okay, you can drag the ones that use the most to the front. Okay, so it's, well, let's click OK. Can you see it's up the front here now? And also hide the ones that you never use. So let's go to Window, Workspaces, Edit Workspaces. And let's say that you don't use effects. You've never used it. You just want to keep it nice and tidy. You can either push it to the overflow menu, which pushes it into that little double arrow there, which you can still get to. Or you might go, actually, don't show me that again. Okay, I don't use that one, but let's say graphics is going to be in my overflow menu. It means effects is gone and graphics is in this little overflow menu. So you can create your own ones. The weird thing about workspaces is they're not part of your like Creative Cloud license. They're per program locally installed, and it's a real big drama to be able to export them and share them with another computer. You kind of basically need to reset them again. Have a look. There might be in the future a way of saving your workspaces, for a user, but at the moment it's saved locally and they're in hidden folders that are not easily to find. But Google how to find my workspaces online. It's different from Mac and PC, and it's no fun at all. But the nice thing is, once you've got it set up, you can save it, get it up the top here, move it around, tidy up the top. Ooh, advanced workspaces. Did I make that exciting? Oh, let's get on to the next video.